This Stanford Neuroscience Health Center is a physical realization of our long-held dream and vision. The medical architecture of the last generation placed the physician at the center of things. This building flips that. It places the patient at the center of all things we do.
The very best patient care requires that we put many fields together for the special needs of that one patient. One has to start from the ground up.
It's the first of its kind in the country to integrate 21 subspecialties in one center.
There's a lot of patients that we share in common. So we all needed to be together under one roof so that we could really collaborate with each other.
This is how new ideas are born. We meet in the halls, we may discuss a patient we've both seen, have an idea we want to bounce off someone else, and the proximity is a huge advantage in terms of facilitating these kinds of creative approaches.
We have really tried to think about taking research that occurs in the laboratory and translating that to how it can help human beings.
It's the crosstalk between the sciences and clinical medicine. Having this type of facility where we have these multiple disciplines is what will really set us apart from any other institution in the country.
It's easy to forget sometimes what it's like to be a patient, how much time you spend going to visits, getting your treatments. I like the idea that the physicians are orbiting the patient rather than the patients orbiting the physicians.
We want to make this experience for patients as stress-free as possible. A facility like this will be transformative for our patients.
I got to see 5 different clinicians in the span of about 3 hours. And I was like, wow, this is cool.
Honoring the voice of our neuroscience patients was incredibly important to the development of this project. We did what we call empathy mapping, and we drew what the path of travel would be for our patients as they came into the building.
A lot of the obstacles that you had to deal with before aren't there anymore. In this environment, everything just becomes calmed and settled.
This building says what we hope to say in our hearts, which is that we will treat them in a way that opens up the world to them.
To have this building made that's specifically for neuroscience patients is astounding. This place is special.